So, welcome to the tutorial of how to install Easter Pixel and Christmas Pixel. So, to install Easter Pixel, you have to go to Google Chrome. Then, after going to Google Chrome, you will need to come to the search bar and type GameJolt Easter Pixel. You will see this one right here, Easter Pixel by SGME, which is me. Go click on it. So as you can see, this is the Easter Pixel game, and this is the Easter Pixel dedicated server. And here is Christmas Pixel and Christmas Pixel dedicated server. And also there's a web version, Raspberry Pi edition for Easter Pixel and Christmas Pixel servers, and the actual game for Raspberry Pi. So we're going to show you how to download all these editions. So to download Easter Pixel for Windows, you will have to press download next to Easter Pixel. This might take a while, so I will pause the video. I will skip the video until the download's finished. So now Easter Pixel .zip has finished downloading. So now you have to go to that folder, and then wherever it downloaded it in the source code of Christmas Pixel. Just move it wherever you want, or if you want to keep it in the same place, keep it. So for me, I'm moving it in downloads. So now once that's finished, extract all. It should show this pop-up, and then after that, press extract. It should take a few moments, but it should open after. It should open the Easter Pixel folder after some time. It's nearly finished. So once it opens this, go to Easter Pixel, then go to Windows. Then open easterpixel.exe. It will say Windows protected your PC, so just press more info and run anyways. So Windows doesn't trust any executables from other sources. It doesn't trust any executable from the web. So it says it protected your PC, but it doesn't know if it's safe or not. So it's opened right now on my other screen, so I will move it to my main screen. So this is Easter Pixel. You can play and do whatever you want. I also forgot to mention that I released the 1.6.0 update for Easter Pixel called the server update. I'm going to make a video about that later. So now you probably want to download Christmas Pixel. So this is how to download Christmas Pixel. Let me just close Easter Pixel first. So go back to Chrome, and this time download the Christmas Pixel, and it is a DLC. So just press download. It should take a while. So now that the file is downloaded, just go to the folder again and then put it in the folder you want to put it in. So in my case, it's downloads again. So now that you've installed it, extract all. It should take a while. Like last time, this is a short amount of time. So now that's finished, you have to go to the Windows folder again. There should be a .zip file. There's also a readme, so the next steps is also in this like .txt file. So now what you want to do is copy this all the way to the EasterPixel folder, and you should see this DLC folder right here. Go to DLC, Christmas Pixel, and paste it right in. Once that's finished, the way to open it is to open the EasterPixel. So you should see a DLC button under the credits button. Press the DLC and then Christmas Pixel. It should take a while. So now that's finished, you could go ahead and play the game. And that's it for the EasterPixel and Christmas Pixel, like tutorials. Next we're going to do the servers. Let me just quit it. So next for the servers, you have to go to Chrome, but this time there will be, this time in the Game Jolt page, there will be an EasterPixel dedicated server. There's also one for Christmas Pixel, and I'm getting to it, so please wait. So, once you press download, it should take a while. So, once the download is finished, you should, go back to the same folder and then put it in the folder you want to put it in. In my case, it's still downloads. So now, you just want to go ahead and extract all. Extract all the files. It should take more faster than the game files because the server files is more smaller than the game files. So once it's finished extracting, open the folder and go to EasterPixel server. Then go to Windows. You should see EasterPixel.exe, EasterPixel.console.exe. There should be a data folder and also start server.bat and also a DLL file and a pack file. So you have to go ahead and edit the .bat file in Notepad. I'm gonna put a list of all the scenes you can use. So the scene that you pick, so for the scene that you picked, you have to replace this one right here with the scene that you picked on the screen. And then after that, you could go ahead and save it. And then after that, you could go ahead and close whatever file editor you're using. And then open the start server.bat. It would say the publisher could not be verified. Are you sure that you want to run this software? And it's recommended to keep this thing checked so that in case you're actually running a virus, it won't just run immediately. It will warn you. So, for Easter Pixel, just press 1. And yeah, it should be like started. It should print its like directory, like where it is. And this false thing, it's actually in the code. I forgot to turn this thing off. So now that you did that, let's go ahead and test the server. So when port forwarding, you would want to copy this IPv4 address, but when you're just playing in the same Wi-Fi or the local network, you would want to use this one. In my case, I'm just testing, so I will use this one. Or else you can use the code 127.0.0.1, which is basically just your own machine, or you can type in localhost. So once you type so what you want to do right here, you would want to like go to the Easter Pixel folder and go to Easter Pixel. And whatever scene you chose, just press on it and then put in the IPv4 address. Also, for Easter Pixel, for the port, put 15780. And now you can join your dedicated server for Easter Pixel. So now for Christmas Pixel, the process is basically the same, but the port is 50170. That's the port for Christmas Pixel. I will put on the Christmas Pixel scenes on the screen right now. As I already told you, downloading the Christmas Pixel like server files is basically the same as the Easter Pixel server. So please don't ask me. This is already long, and it's probably going to be longer since this is also for Linux and Android, since I don't have a Mac OS to show you how to download it. And next, we're going to show you how to install it on Linux 64-bit. Then after the 64-bit, we will show you how to install it on ARM64. So, hello, welcome to the tutorial of how to install Easter Pixel and Christmas Pixel for Linux. I don't have a Linux device, so I'll show you here. So for Linux, what we're going to do right here, just open your browser. The reason why I'm using an external device to record this is because I don't have a USB adapter, because my microphone actually uses USB-C, and my Linux machine does not have USB-C anywhere. So what you want to do is search GameJolt. Easter Pixel like before in your browser. And what you want to do is click the one that says Easter Pixel by STME. Once you go to this page, there's ads here because on my main laptop I have an ad blocker. What you want to do is to scroll down and you should see the Easter Pixel option. Under that, you have to press download like before. It might take a while. So now once you finish installing the .zip file, just go to the files directory wherever it's downloaded. So just press this download button, then this file button, and it should take you to the directory. And then after that, you should see a file. It should be called easterpixel.zip. Go ahead and extract here. Right click it and then press extract here. It should take a while. So once it's finished downloading, go to the Easter Pixel file folder, then go to the Linux folder. Then you should see some files right here. There should be like all these files. This is for the 64-bit version of Linux. So the instructions to download are right here. So first, you will need to give execute permissions to 2 files. So you have to open the terminal here and then type this command. This command right here. Don't execute the command yet. Put a space after it. Then drag and drop the easterpixel.zip file into the terminal. Once you finish dragging it into the terminal, press enter. Now you have successfully given execute permissions to the .zip file. Type in the chmod command again. So this is the command right here, that same command, and then put a space again, and then drag and drop the .86_64 file. So once you've done that, just execute the command again, and then it should be successful. No errors. There should be no errors. So once you've done that, obviously you would want to open the file, the .zip file, or else you could do this. Bash space and then drag in this file, this .zip file. I'm just going to open the fire. Sorry, that was my brother talking. There's actually error, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what you want to do right here is to right click it and then go to open with and then open with mousepad. Actually, I don't think there's an error. I think there's something wrong. So I'm just going to type bash and then that fire. So to open the game, you want to type bash and then all this and then press enter. So you will have to type bash and then put a space and then drag and drop the Easter pixel dots into the terminal. It should open. Now you're probably wondering how to play Christmas Pixel. So it's the same thing, but go back to the Easter Pixel page, but download this Christmas Pixel DLC file. So after Christmas Pixel finishes installing the Christmas Pixel.zip, go to the folder and go to the directory by pressing the download and then this file button next to Christmas Pixel.zip. And then after you did that, it should appear right here. So extract here, right click it and press extract here. It might take a while. So after it finished extracting, open the Christmas Pixel folder. My brother just got angry at me. I'm sorry if that disturbed you while I'm recording the video. He's playing Roblox right now. So after you open the Christmas Pixel folder, go to Linux, and then you should see this Christmas Pixel DLC file. So move it all the way to the Easter Pixel folder. So after moving the Christmas Pixel DLC folder to the Christmas Pixel, the Easter Pixel folder. After moving it to the Easter Pixel folder, move it to the Linux folder. Then move it to the DLC folder, then the Christmas Pixel folder, and then it should be right here. Then to give it execute permissions, open the terminal here and paste in the same command. And then press space after it and then drag the Christmas Pixel.dlc file into the CMD line. After you finish dragging it in, the Christmas Pixel.dlc file inside the Christmas Pixel DLC folder, then press enter. Then after you've done all that, let me just recap. So you had to move the Christmas Pixel DLC file inside. After you move the Christmas Pixel DLC file inside the Easter Pixel folder and the Linux folder, then DLC folder, then Christmas Pixel folder, and after you set the execute permissions here, after you did that, go to back to the Linux file, and then open the game again. Easter Pixel game again. Then it should take you here. Press DLC and then Christmas Pixel. So after that finishes loading, you have Christmas Pixel. So if you want to also make a dedicated server, go back to the browser and download the dedicated server files for Easter Pixel. Here's a quick note, for Christmas Pixel it's the same. So after the Easter Pixel server files are finished installing, go to its directory, then right click it and then press extract here. It might take a while. After it's finished, it should come out a file called Easter Pixel server. Go ahead and open that. Then go to Linux. Then now you have to put execute permissions on two of these files. Can you guess which? The easterpixel.86_64 and the start server file. So open a new terminal and then paste in this command and then put a space after it and then drag in the executable, the 86.64 file, and then press enter and then paste in the same command again, this one, and then press space and then this time drag in the start server. After that's done, go ahead and right click on the start server, then go to open with and then mousepad. You should see all this code. Let me just highlight the thing that I want you to see. So this is the thing that you're going to replace, and not that one. This is This is the one that you're going to replace. For I'm going to put the Easter Pixel and Christmas Pixel scenes right on the screen right now. So after you finish doing that, you can go ahead and save it and close it. Control S to save it, and then you can just close the window. Now you can click the start server and press enter, and this dedicated server should start. Now Now, to join it, for the port for Easter Pixel, it's 15780, and for Christmas Pixel, it's 50170, like IPv4 address. So the LAN IPv4 address is for devices in the same network, and the public WAN IPv4 address is for the devices outside of your local network. So that's it for the Linux 64-bit tutorial. And next we're going to do the Linux ARM64 tutorial, then Android, and then I'll see you in the next part of this video. So in this part of the video, we're going to show you how to download the Easter Pixel on Linux Linux ARM64 devices. So what you want to do is to go to your browser, then search GameJolt Easter Pixel, then open this one right here, Easter Pixel by SAME. Then after that, you should see this page. Scroll down all until you see the Raspberry Pi edition of Easter Pixel. So go ahead and press download. It should start downloading right here. It might take a while. So after it finishes downloading, you should go ahead and show it in its folder. Then you have to go ahead and click on it, and then right click on it, and then press extract here. It should start extracting it. This might take a while. So once it finishes downloading, you have to open the Raspberry Pi edition Easter Pixel. So it should have finished extracting. So once it finished extracting, open the Raspberry Pi edition Easter Pixel folder. Then you should see all this right here. So you can see all these files. So now you need to open the terminal and then type this command right here. And then after typing it, don't execute it. Put a space after it, and then drag and drop the file. Actually, don't drag and drop it. Copy its path. Then after copying its path, put a quote. And then after putting a quote, paste in the path. Ctrl-Shift-V. Then put another quote. Then press enter. You put execute command, execute permissions to this file. Now just type chmod +X and then another space, and then this time copy the path of the ARM ARM64 file. And then put another quote. Paste in the path. And then put another quote. And press enter. Now once you've done that, open this file. And you can choose what you want to do. You can execute or execute it in tournament. It should open. And here you go, guys. This is the Easter Pixel Raspberry Pi edition. Now, to download Christmas Pixel, go back to the browser, but this time download the Christmas Pixel DLC one. The Raspberry Pi edition Christmas Pixel DLC. Might take a while. So once it finishes downloading, you want to go ahead and show it in folder. Then you want to extract here. Right click it and then press extract here. It might take a while. After it finishes extracting, you have to open the file that is called Raspberry Pi Edition Christmas Pixel DLC. You will see a folder. Copy that folder by clicking and then pressing copy. I'm not talking about copying the path. Now go back to the Easter Pixel folder. Then go to the DLC folder inside it. Go to the Christmas Pixel folder and then right click and then select paste. It should start pasting itself. So once it's finished pasting itself, go to the Christmas Pixel DLC file and open the CMD and then type the same chmod plus X and then put a space again. This time you want to copy the path of the Christmas Pixel.dlc file. And then put another quote and then paste in the path and then put another quote. Execute permissions is done. Now all you have to do is open Easter Pixel and then go to DLC and Christmas Pixel. Wait for it. And now you've successfully installed Easter Pixel and Christmas Pixel. So now for the server. Downloading the Christmas Pixel server is the same process as downloading the Easter Pixel server. So for the Easter Pixel server, what you want to do is to go back to the browser again, and this time you see this right here, download the Raspberry Pi Edition Easter Pixel server. After it finishes downloading, you go ahead and show in folder and then right click on the zip file that you've just installed. Now right click the file you want to extract. The right click the file that you've just downloaded. Now press extract here. Should start extracting, it might take a while. Also, the process is same for the Christmas Pixel server. After it finishes extracting, you have to go ahead and open the Raspberry Pi Edition Easter Pixel server. Same for the Christmas Pixel server too. Now you will need to set execute permissions on 2 files. So go back to the CMD and type in the chipmod plus X again. And then put a space. And copy the path of the ARM64 file. And then put a quote, paste in the path, and then put another quote and press enter. Now put another chmod plus X. Now copy the path of the start server, put a space after the chmod X, put a quote, paste it in, paste the path in and then put another quote and press enter. You put execute commands to both this and the ARM64 file. Now, after that, click on the start server.file, right click it, and open and press open with any of the text editors you want. I just choose Simple X text editor. Then highlight then replace this scene with any other scene, or you can just keep it. I show the scenes of the Easter Pixel and Christmas Pixel both on the screen. So for the Christmas Pixel server, the process is just the same, and it's basically just the same. And now you can go ahead and open your server. So now that it's open, you should have successfully downloaded the Easter Pixel server. So for the connecting for Christmas Pixel, the port is 50170, and for Easter Pixel, it's 1578 pixel. 80. Let me say it again. For Christmas Pixel port, it's 50170, and for Easter Pixel port, it's 15780. And for the IPv4, so the one on the top, the LAN IPv4 address is for devices in your local network, and for the bottom one, the public LAN IPv4 address, it's basically the for devices outside of your network. So this is the tutorial, and for the next part, I'm going to be showing you how to download it on Android. Hello guys, and welcome to the next part of this tutorial. We will be telling you how to download Easter Pixel and Christmas Pixel on Android. There's not a version for iOS and also for macOS. I don't have a macOS device, unfortunately. So first, we will go to Chrome or Google. the browser of your choice. Once it finishes loading, type GameJolt EasterPixel. Then press this one, which says EasterPixel by SGME. Then you will have to press download. It might take a while. Once it finishes downloading, you have to it should show this pop-up right here. So press open, then press on the file that just downloaded. After you do that, you have to go and extract it. So after it finishes extracting, you want to open the EasterPixel folder. Mine is called EasterPixel 1 because I already have this downloaded. Open the other EasterPixel folder, then open the Android. Then you should see an APK file called EasterPixel.apk. Go press on it and open it with Package Installer. After it finishes staging up, you have to press install. So it finished staging up, but I already have it installed, so I have the option to update it. So usually you would press install. So, for Christmas Pixel, the process is basically the same. Thank you for watching this video, and we see you in the next one.